It's a beautiful day and I'm going for the first English mass here, organized by Danny. Look. Oh, I'm also doing the first reading. Oh my goodness, first time in my life. The air is so fresh and crisp. Can really feel autumn. Ah, so nice.
I sure will get.
I'm having some not pumpkin, butternut squash, apples, dates, and oats. It's very hot. And this is actually lunch. It's now 12:20 and I'm going for German class at 1:20. So good. It's my first time using butternut squash in my oats. Really good. A large bowl of oats wasn't enough, apparently. So I made myself a pea protein and I added cacao powder. I don't usually drink protein powders, but I got this one, Nature's Plus from iHerb, just to eat it on days like these where I'm rushing and I don't feel full enough with whatever I've made. I really like this one. I've researched quite a few brands and I like this because it's only organic pea protein, organic quinoa, and protein energy liberating enzyme blend, whatever that is. But organic pea protein and organic quinoa, it's not like isolated protein. I forgot what I read about that, but it's highly processed, and these are just like organic pea and organic quinoa. So when you choose your protein powder, make sure to take those into account. Alright, I'm just gonna drink this and I gotta go to class now. Bye! It's so super cold. Summer has officially ended. 11 degrees today. Gray skies. So just got home. It's 5. I have an hour home. So what a good time to snack. And then I'm going for the singing group. Can't sing to save my life, but this is my favorite bread from Migros. It's organic and one of the only sourdough bread that doesn't have citric acid. Yeah, great ingredients. I like it. So let's I'll just chill, eat some mango, and meet my friends and go for the singing group. So managed to do some editing and now I think I'll have a slice of bread. I almost went for a second piece and I realized it's probably a bad idea to eat before you go singing. So I stopped myself. I'm just having some leftovers for lunch. Daddy made pumpkin soup yesterday. It's really, really good. And I'm having some toasted bread with some hummus I made. Roasted red capsicum hummus, which I forgot to put what? Garlic, the main ingredient. Pity, but still really good actually. So just gonna eat this. I've been busy in the morning trying to set up I've been trying to set it up for a long time, but I'm trying to set up my Facebook page for all these yoga classes that I'm going to do next year. And now after this I just have to do a few more things for my yoga class and go for German class. Nothing very eventful today. Oh, yesterday was really fun at the singing gathering. Basically it's run by this very good choir master. He's really great and he's doing it a bit like for a volunteer thing where he gathers all kinds of people, the Swiss people and all of people like me, different nationalities, and we sing together and share music and dance from where we are coming from. So it was so much fun. And this is so good. It's even better today. Sometimes soups are better the next day, I feel. So good. You know what? Nature really knows best because autumn is Vata season, which is cold and dry. And nature provides pumpkin the whole time. And pumpkin is a grounding vegetable. And you can make pumpkin soup to warm up. So it's really amazing. That's why I love Ayurveda, because it's really logical and practical. And it really looks at everything as a whole, like just not just body, but body, mind, spirit, soul. Like not just you, but the environment as well and how it affects you. I love it. The soup is so good. I love it. Oh, and I've noticed a huge difference between an organic pumpkin and a non-organic pumpkin. The flavor and the taste is so much more. Sometimes the size is like smaller, but it brings so much more taste. It's so much more intense, which makes it really good because you don't have to add much into it. It's already so good. So buy a smaller pumpkin with more taste than a bigger one, which is cheaper, non-organic, but no taste. This is really good. If you cut your pumpkin and there's no pumpkin smell, it wouldn't make a good soup. I toasted the bread a bit too long. It's very hard. And very hard toast makes the roof of my mouth kind of hurts. Does it hurt your mouth? Like hard toast? Or is mine extra sensitive? Alright, I'm gonna finish this, turn off the camera, and enjoy my food. Mindfulness, my friends. Okay, bye. Just here waiting for my train. Don't be fooled by the sunny weather. It's actually really cold. About 13 degrees today. So excited! Every time I get an iHerb delivery or whatever delivery, it's like a present for myself. So let's go find a Swiss knife. I didn't find a Swiss knife, but I found my extra camera battery. I thought I lost it. Yay! So let's just go grab whatever scissors. Ah, that was easy. Nice. If you also buy from iHerb, the only thing I don't like about iHerb is all this stuff to protect. Like I have another delivery, they use paper to do that. So if you buy from iHerb, to write to them, request for paper. I've requested. So the reason why I'm so excited about this delivery is that I usually bake, like I have this baking fever for like 5 weeks in a row, and then I stop for the entire year. So anyway, I got these cookies. I was looking for like clean cookies on iHerb with good ingredients, and I found this called Simple Meals crunchy chocolate chip cookies. So I'm very excited because I really crave cookies and I don't want to bake. And the ingredients are, where is it? Ingredients: nut and seed flour blend, tapioca starch, chocolate chips, unsweetened chocolate, cane sugar. Oh, it smells very good. And how does it look? Looks a bit like Famous Amos cookies, the size, a bit bigger. Smells good. Looks crunchy. I like crunchy cookies. I don't like soft cookies. Mmm. Oh, it's good. Ooh. I love cookies when they have salty taste to them, and this has it. But I feel it's a bit too sweet, but I don't like sweet stuff, so this one is slightly on my sweeter side, but I really like them really not sweet, so should be good for most people. Mmm. One more. The problem with good ingredient cookies are that it's very hard to make them crunchy, but I guess because of the sugar you get to make them crunchy. But the cookie I baked is crunchy. The one with, oh, but it's maple syrup, still sugar. Okay, one more, and then maybe one more with some tea. Good. Taste some crackers too. Running out of battery. So good! So damn good. It's crunchy. This one I will definitely buy again. Also very clean ingredients. Ah, no wonder it tastes of garlic. It has garlic and onion in it. See how clean the ingredients are. Cassava flour, tapioca starch, sunflower oil, sunflower oil, sea salt, organic onion, organic garlic, rosemary extract. Nothing artificial ever! It's so good, I'm afraid Daniel will finish the whole pack like a potato chip. Looks like that. So good. I feel bad because it's not very zero waste with all these purchases, but it helps me feel a little bit better that the Swiss processing system, or what you call it, is very good. So, and all these can be recycled, of course. Zero waste is tough, man. And yeah, that's it. Not the best idea to mix fruits and cookies and crackers, but I just want to try this a little bit. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's good. Very sour. I like the crunchiness, but if I remembered correctly, it was quite pricey, and I don't think I'll get it again. So happy. Love the cookie, love the cracker even more. Don't love the plastic. So this is the view. And the classroom. I'm just gonna put the humidifier on. And I got some flowers. Just finished teaching. Now going to pack some crackers and hummus for the game. Hi everyone, so today is Thursday. I just finished yoga practice. Last night's game was really fun. It was my first time at a hockey game and live. It's very interesting, actually much more interesting to watch than football because it's way more fast-paced. Also, but the puck is so small, you really have to concentrate. So I came home with a tense shoulder as if I was competing at the game. But it was really fun. Saw our friend play, and it's quite rough. They bump into each other, and it's quite scary because they're only protected up to here, and here is like not really protected. So I think one of the guy got hit and was bleeding or something like that. To them it's normal, but for me it's scary. But it was really fun. And yoga class, I had less students yesterday because some of them are away, and I haven't actually promoted much of my class. So far it's just through word of mouth, and I'm hoping to put some write-ups together maybe tomorrow and put it on the website at the place where I'm teaching, and then also, yeah, do a little bit more of marketing so it reaches more people, and hopefully next year I can start more classes. That would be great. and the students really enjoyed them. It's very nice to share what I know, and it's nice when people feel good after class. I really like that. Also, I'm very much into injury prevention, so flexibility is very important to prevent injuries. Most of the people here are very active. It's either they bike or they run or they play hockey, hike, so everything is they're very fit, but they're very inflexible. They have quite a healthy spine, but I noticed that their hip area and lower back, they're pretty tight. There's nothing much really today, so I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow unless something interesting comes up, which I doubt. Friday! Church bells again! Ding 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 ding! So here, learning how to write a restaurant review. And here's my review. And then this week is interesting. We talk a lot about typisch Schweizerisch. That means typical Swiss. It's not easy to pronounce. It means typically Swiss. So it's very interesting. Maybe I should do a video on that, like how other cultures look at Switzerland and what we think is very typically Swiss after being here for a while. Let me know if you want to see a video on that, like what's typical Swiss or more about Swiss culture and different things Switzerland. So I think I'll close the vlog here. I wish you a wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So pretty.